Hey drone technology fans, Bill here. So what did DJI release at CES 2018? I'll have an answer coming right up. Hey drone technology fans, Bill here. So what did DJI release at CES 2018? Unfortunately, it was not a drone, but they did have two major announcements. What they did release was the Osmo Mobile 2 and the Ronin S. Now, these are gimbals for cameras. The Ronin S is geared toward professionals. It's for DSLR cameras and mirrorless ones, and it enables a very stable, smooth shot, and it has its own built-in DJI Go app. It's fantastic. But what I want to spend some time on is the Osmo Mobile 2. That is an impressive platform that is basically designed for your smartphone and for you to be able to take professional looking video and stills from this. It's incredible the capabilities that this has. It has, just like the drone's, active track. It has motion lapse, zoom control. It does come this time over the original Osmo. It has 15 hours of battery life, which is all, a whole day plus. It does have time lapse, motion lapse, hyperlapse, slow-mo, and it will initially only be available in Apple stores, from what I'm hearing with my contacts at DJI, at the end of January. So I've already put in an email with them, and I've already got another email in with them. So as soon as this is available, this is something that your Bill is going to be purchasing here. I'm very much looking forward to it. So this is what DJI's come out with. And again, I would say look probably in the April, maybe May timeframe again for a DJI event, and hopefully we will get that drone announcement then. Also want to encourage you to take a look at Bill the Drone Reviewer's Facebook page. I know I'd mentioned this before, but on a daily basis, that gets refreshed and updated on a daily basis. A lot of things that don't make it to video do make it on there. So if there's any kind of news as far as the drone industry is concerned, I post it out there on a daily basis. So be sure to go out there and take a look at it. And of course, check out my blog where I do post some mini reviews and some other updates. And also every time we shoot a video, it also goes out to the blog as well. So I encourage you to like the Facebook page and to get out there and to subscribe to the blog so you can be able to make sure that you catch all the latest in drone news. And I'd also like to thank all my recent new subscribers who are coming on board and finding out that Bill the Drone Review, what Bill the Drone Reviewer is all about, and I really appreciate it. Make sure you keep passing on the good word. I keep getting lots more subscribers each day. We're growing like crazy. So thank you. You are what's helping me drive this channel. I have an unbelievable passion about drones, and I hope it's coming through. So make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and like I said, do tell others about the channel. Also be sure to check out, the blog, as I had mentioned, where I do post those reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and happy flying.